Hello, in front of me I've got Jedi Survivor. In this video I'll show you how to change controls of the game. In the beginning, let's go to options and now enter accessibility. Enter control scheme, and now you can reset the whole scheme or adjust basic moves like move up, move left, move down, and many more. Then you can go to force powers, look, navigation, BD1, user interface, miscellaneous, accessibility, and now simply if you want to adjust controls, enter it and select other button to use it. For example, press and hold A button to confirm. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.